Non, on le connaît pas beaucoup. La première chose, je pense, c'est de ne pas les sous-estimer. Moi, j'étais là au match contre Blainville, ici à Blainville, puis je connais beaucoup de joueurs du York qui ont évolué avec moi dans les équipes nationales plus jeunes. C'est des bons joueurs. Une bonne équipe, au final, c'est 90 minutes, donc tout peut se passer. Je ne vais pas faire une référence plate, mais si on regarde ce qui s'est passé Canada contre Haïti, c'est un peu pas le même scénario parce que bon, c'est au niveau international, mais je pense qu'évidemment, on est favori pour ce match-là, mais je pense que la plus grosse erreur serait de les sous-estimer, puis de un peu jeter ce match à la poubelle. Bien, j'ai l'impression que cette année, l'approche est très sérieuse. Ça l'était l'an dernier, mais je pense que étant donné qu'on a beaucoup de joueurs canadiens, pour moi, personnellement, ça me tient à cœur cette coupe-là. J'aimerais remporter une coupe ici à Montréal, puis que ce soit la MLS ou le championnat canadien, ce serait important. Je pense que le coaching staff l'a réalisé aussi à quel point cette coupe-là est importante pour nous, pour le club, mais surtout pour les partisans. Bon, après, il y a les règles. Je pense que c'est 4 joueurs canadiens qui doivent être sur le terrain. On en a plus que l'an dernier, ou du moins plus de joueurs de niveau comparément à l'an dernier qui peuvent être titulaires dans un match comme ça. Donc, je pense que les entraîneurs ont plus d'outils à leur portée. Mais non, c'est un match qu'on prend très sérieusement, une compétition aussi très sérieusement. Yeah, it's really weird. It's gonna be a first. Flying over there and then not going to a hotel downtown, but I think we're going to Markham or someplace like that, and then not playing in BMO. It's gonna be special, but like I said, it's a game that we have to take seriously. And the biggest mistake that we could do is underestimate that team. It's not because they're a level lower than us, in terms of leagues that we are going to win easily, and that's a competition that we take very seriously.
100%, 100%. Stepping on the field the other night, it certainly wasn't a home atmosphere with all the Mexican fans in the stands, but those are the games that, as a professional player, you want to be a part of it, no matter what the capacity is. And it may have been 10 minutes for me at the end of a final, but it's 10 more minutes than I would have had if I was still on the bench, and it was an incredible experience. But you don't get to play for a championship, and you don't get to have a trophy on the line every day. I think it's important that we take the steps to get to those games, and it's so valuable for the guys that have been here for the Champions League runs in the past. Their experience we draw on heavily every game, but just to be able to re-enter into that competition at the level I know that this club wants to compete at, it's huge. But yeah, just the sense of being in a championship game, it's something very valuable, and hopefully we can get the first one out of the way and be playing for another one later in the fall. Of course. I think that when people think about the Montreal Impact, they think of them in the Champions League. I think that's totally fair, and I think that's what motivates us, especially, like I said, the guys that have been there before know what it's like, and they know that this team and the club is built to perform and to compete at that level in that tournament. So it's something that we're striving for. I think we have a new group of players that's familiar with what it feels like to lose in this competition last year, and I think that is still something in the back of our minds and right now in the front of it. So I think we're just very, very anxious, very excited to get out on the field and to handle business against a team that, we should look to be very confident playing against. As, this competition has shown in the past, anyone can do anything on any given day, but I think it's important for us, especially given the result in the weekend, that we bounce back in the right way and we show that we're going to take the next stretch of the season very seriously and start on the right foot.
Écoutez, comme je vous le dis souvent, on n'a rien à cacher. La preuve, c'est que vous assistez aux entraînements. Voilà, dès que ça ira mieux, dès qu'on aura la certitude qu'il est dans de bonnes dispositions, qu'il a validé toutes les étapes nécessaires à pouvoir disputer un match de MLS ou de Coupe du Canada, bien sûr que dès cet instant, on le remettra avec nous. Là, on est un peu au jour le jour, on surveille. On essaie d'élever le niveau de la demande envers Nacho, envers son genou. Et chaque fois qu'il valide une étape, c'est positif. Là, on s'approche vraiment du but ultime. Et j'espère que ce sera rapidement qu'il pourra être avec nous, avec l'équipe, pour un match. Yes, of course. I think that in this kind of competition, teams that are playing in lower divisions are always very, very motivated to play that game, because for them it's like every game it's already a final, because they have the possibility to show themselves as individuals or as a team how good they can be. Then we are really, really aware about that. We have watched games about these teams. They are playing a very decent football. They try to to move the ball very quickly. Probably they don't got so far the result that the game they are playing would have deserved. Then we have to take it very seriously, and this is the way that I try to prepare my players. I watch games with my staff, and we saw a team that has the intention to play good football. It's not only kick-off football like you could imagine in lower division. I think their results are not at the level that they could deserve, probably, because they play a very good collective football. They have the powerful players up front, powerful players at the back. Then we will have to play at our best level, tactically, but also mentally, to be ready, because I think that at some point, at some moment, we could be under pressure on that game, and we will have to be ready to fight for that.